A general arrangement drawing of a vessel provides a detailed layout of the ship's structure, spaces, and key features. It serves multiple purposes in the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of the vessel. Here are the key elements typically shown in a GA drawing and their purposes. Information shown in general arrangement drawings. 1. Hull structure, hull lines. Outlines of the hull shape. Sections and decks. Indication of the various decks, main deck, upper deck, lower deck, etc., and vertical sections. 2. Layout of spaces. Accommodation areas, cabins, crew quarters, mess rooms, lounges. Operational spaces, bridge, engine room, control rooms. Cargo spaces, holds, tanks, and storage areas for different types of cargo. Service areas. Kitchens, galleys, bathrooms, heads, laundry rooms. 3. Equipment and machinery. Main engines, placement of the propulsion systems. Auxiliary machinery, generators, pumps, compressors. Steering gear, location of the steering equipment. 4. Safety and life-saving equipment. Lifeboats and life rafts, locations and types of life-saving appliances. Firefighting equipment. Fire extinguishers, fire pumps, and emergency exits. Escape routes, designated paths for evacuation. 5. Access points, hatches, doors, and companionways. Access between different sections and decks. Boarding points, gangways, boarding ladders. 6. Utilities and services, ventilation systems, air conditioning and ventilation ducting. Plumbing and electrical systems, layout of major pipes and cables. 7. Specialized areas, laboratories, workshops, and storage, specific to the vessel's purpose, research, fishing, etc. Cargo handling equipment, cranes, winches, and cargo ramps. Purpose of general arrangement drawings. 1. Design and planning. Design coordination. Ensures all components fit together harmoniously and efficiently. Regulatory compliance. Demonstrates adherence to safety and operational regulations. 2. Construction. Guidance for builders. Provides shipyard workers with a detailed plan for constructing the vessel. Material planning. Helps in the procurement and placement of materials. 3. Operation. Operational efficiency. Assists in the daily operation by providing crew with a clear understanding of the vessel layout. Emergency preparedness. Facilitates the planning and execution of emergency procedures. 4. Maintenance and repair. Maintenance scheduling. Identifies the location of equipment needing regular inspection and maintenance. Troubleshooting. Aids in locating and diagnosing issues with the vessel's systems. 5. Modification and upgrades. Future modifications. Serves as a reference for any future upgrades or modifications. Space utilization. Helps in assessing the feasibility of adding new equipment or spaces. A GA drawing is an essential document in the maritime industry, providing a comprehensive overview of the vessel's layout and serving as a vital tool throughout the vessel's life cycle.